Dad. I need something.
Oh, she didn't even notice, huh? Forgetting something?
Thanks! Let's go! Ugh, I can't find them anywhere! Nope, not in here!
What?
My keys!
You lost them again? Let's go look. Nope.
Did you look under here?
Let's look under the couch. Anything?
No.
Well, let's think here. I don't have them, do I? Oh, nasty.
Ugh, yikes.
I don't know where else to look. Wait a minute. Now hold on to these, Missy.
Goodbye.
Have a nice day.
Wait! Did I remember the keys? I can't see anything in here. Ugh! My nightstand! Oh, man. Dad? Let me in!
This story has taken an interesting turn.
Ugh, this is hopeless. Guess I'm stuck out here.
No one ever takes out the trash. Ava?
I forgot my keys!
Again? Oh boy. Is that all your stuff? That gives me an idea. I can use one of your puzzle pieces to ensure you never lose your keys. Once the piece is all covered, put the first letter of your name on top. All done! Now you'll never miss these. Here you go.
Hey! They have an A on them! Thanks, Dad! Oh! Dad made one of these too! And don't they look cute together? I have the best dad ever!
Works like a charm.
Like and subscribe for more great videos.
Almost done cleaning these dishes. Phew! Oh no. Another mug. Clean this one too, please. Okay, fine. Just one more. I don't know how a mug can get so dirty. What the? My hand! Oh no! Did it break? Whoa! It's still in one piece! No! The handle on her favorite mug! She's gonna kill me! Wait, maybe I can fix it. I don't even need glue, cause I've got my 3D pen. I'll just cover the crack. It's the same color, so you can barely see it. And then I'll do it all the way down the handle. All along the edge. It doesn't need a lot, though. There. Once I'm done, now onto the other. I'll just do the same thing here. Almost done with this side. There we go. And now to make sure I've got the top and bottom, too. The handle's the most important part of the mug, so I've gotta make sure it's secure. Done! And the handle's holding, too. Oh, here's some juice for you. Huh. I see you've added some texture to the handle. Is there something going on? No? Well, it does make it easier to grip. Thanks for the juice. Phew, I'm so glad that worked.
Hey. Hi, Brian. I have something for you.
No way! That's for me?
How do you open it? Wait!
No!
My hero.
That was close. Oh, I have an idea. To protect your iPhone, all you need is a glue gun. Start to apply a layer of glue around the edge of the iPhone. Be careful, making sure you avoid the camera. Let the glue drop down the side of the phone. We want to make sure the phone is safe. Then fill in the rest of the phone. Build up the glue, making sure there's a thick layer. Once the phone is covered, leave the glue to set. Trim off the excess glue and you have a unique phone case. What do you think?
Ooh, it's great! Thank you. Brian? Oops. Alright, the silverware is perfect. Now for my lunch. Hey! Is it okay if I sit there? Do what you want. I love fries so much! They're my favorite! Ridiculous. I have to take enough photos for my Insta.
Whoa! Smart! I should do that too! Oh, right. I have a janky old phone. Guess I'll just eat my food instead of photographing it.
Ugh. Just need to get this angle. Ugh. It's not working. It's no use. Hey, do you think you could help me?
Me? Sure thing! I'm happy to help! Let me just grab your phone. Just trying not to get grease on your screen. Oh, I dropped it! No! I caught it! Oh my gosh, that was a close one! Phew! She didn't even notice. Huh. There's a spider right there. I think I have an idea! I'm gonna need a phone, a 3D pen, and a regular marker. I'll start by making loops around the marker with the 3D pen. Then I'll slide the loops off. Good. Now for the 3D pen again. I'll draw a line to this corner. And now to draw more, like a spider web. All while keeping the loops vertical. Excellent. Now for some more lines for decoration. This is gonna be a great-looking spider web. Done! Spiders are amazing, and so am I! Ooh, let's do some on the edge, too. Now for some glitter! You can never go wrong with some added sparkle. It's done! The loops work like a ring! Now I don't have to worry about dropping her phone again. Ooh, these are great pictures!
Okay, I'll take my phone back now.
What did you do to it?
Huh. I kinda like it. Thanks. You're alright.
You're welcome! This lunch turned out to be a lot of fun! I can't stop looking at this necklace. It's just wow. I'm so lucky. It's just so beautiful. Whoa! Ow. That hurt. Oh no, my necklace! It's broken! Look at it. Oh, look at that. Maybe I can fix it. Hello? Is there anyone in here? Just look at the quality of that spot weld. Hey! Yoo-hoo! Over here! Huh? What do you want? Hi, Annie! Come on in! Yeah? Are you sure? How's it going? I broke my necklace.
Yep. Definitely broken. But I can fix it. Let me see what we've got here. It's beyond repair. It belongs in the trash.
But I liked it.
Shh. No, you didn't. I'm making you something even better. Look at this.
Are you feeling okay? I'm not sure this is my style.
I'm not finished.
No, I'm not a fan. It's a little wild.
Wow, you're really fussy about your jewelry. I'm all out of ideas. There must be something we can do. Wait a second! I know what to do! All I need is this poppet. I'll fill the dimple with the plastic from the 3D pen. I'll do this all the way down the row. Then I'll place a necklace along it. And cover it with more plastic. I want to make sure I cover the necklace. Then I'll wait for it to harden. I can remove it from the poppet. Try it on!
How does it look? I need to see it. Wow! It looks like flowers! I can't believe you made this! Ava, it's wonderful! Thanks!
Hey, it's what I do. What?
Huh?
Yes! Wow!
Hey! Oops. Another day, another dollar. Hold it. Got any neon? Here you go. Okay, you can come in. Have a good time. Whoa. What is it? It's a neon party. Where's yours? Look at this outfit! Does it need any accessories? Read the sign. Neon party. Fine. Woohoo! Let's party! You want me to look like that? Wait a minute. Give me that. Hey, what are you doing? That's mine! I was enjoying that! I'll start by making a small blob of plastic with a 3D pen. Then I'll loop the pen around the glass. I leave some space between each loop. I'll keep doing this all the way up the glass. This pink is so bright. Just a few more. That should be enough. Then I'll put my hand in the glass and slide the plastic onto my wrist. It makes a great bracelet. I don't need this glass anymore. Stop. Let's see the neon. Ta-da! Happy? Let me see that. I'm not so sure. How about now? Will that do? You have to let me in. I like it. Head on through. At last. So, about my drink? Gotta hurry! Okay. Don't mind me! What are you doing? No time to talk. Hey, slow down! What is it? What's the rush? I have a date. With Chris. Just look at him. He's so cute. If you say so. I should have known. I need to get ready. I want to look good. I want it to be perfect. Just relax. It'll be fine. Okay, I think I'm ready. I need a necklace. Oh, that's nice. This always looks good on me. Ugh, I can't get it on. Ugh, it's not gonna fit. Luna, can you help me? Okay. Give it here. Here you go. Uh-oh! Don't! No! My necklace! This is a disaster! What am I gonna do now? I'm sorry. Maybe I can fix this. There must be something I can do. I've got it! I just need this 3D pen. I can use it to draw on this bust. I'll make small loops with the pen. I'll go all the way around the neck. Now I'll go over it again, creating more loops. There! I think it's ready! It's a choker necklace! Jennifer, look what I've got! What? Oh! Did you make that? It's for you! Wow, thanks! I love it! It looks great on me. You need to go. Have fun! Phew. Alright guys, I'm off. You behave for Daddy, alright? Don't take your eyes off her. See you at dinner. Toodles! Ugh, I'm bored. Daddy? Will you play with me? What am I supposed to do with this? Ooh! That weighs 1,000 pounds! There's gotta be something for me to do in here. Whoa! Look at Mom's dresses! This one's my favorite! No way! Look at all of this grown-up stuff! Holy guacamole! It's like real treasure! I wonder if this'll fit me. Cool! Finally, all done. Ava? What on earth are you doing? Do you like? It's all Mom stuff. Remember, no touching my stuff! Oh no, this is very bad. But I know how to fix this. I'll just give Ava her own jewels. And they'll be fit for a princess. This crown shape will make for the perfect ring. And I can make other shapes too. Like a fun star. And you can use different colors. And what little girl doesn't love hearts? Red is an obvious choice for this one. Almost finished! Isn't it adorable? Don't forget a dot in the middle. It's how you attach the ring. See? Now you have a bunch! And these ones are all yours. Aren't they fabulous?
Thank you, Daddy! And you can wear this!
Now that's some creative power!
Wish you had a 3D pen to create things with? Now you know just how to do it. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the fun.